We're waiting every night to kill these birds and not come back. Give them a stack and not come back. Why did you even come first? This must be a dream. I can't be here right now. I got busy things to do. Not just watch these stupid birds. Kids sacrificing the lives. We're sacrificing the stars. We're running this place. We're not coming back for no freaking reason. No matter what it takes for 2 birds in the face. We don't want to see. If we have to come back, I'll make a diss track, but nobody will get it. So that's why I say don't go to this place called Five Nights at Birds. Why do you want to stay Five Nights at Birds? This where you want to be, Five Nights at Birds. Yeah. I was you in my basement tonight.